hydropower facilities in the U.S., yet they produce about 50% of the nation's hydroelectric power. But no power source is without its compromises, and the construction and operation of hydroelectric facilities can result in certain negative impacts that must be addressed. Among these are the potential displacement of population centers, interruption of normal fish migrations, and habitat destruction. In some cases, restrictions have been placed on hydroelectric plants in an effort to address environmental issues. For example, to minimize negative downstream impacts, some hydro plants have shifted from peak load or load following to base load operations. Peak load facilities are typically brought into action to accommodate high electricity demand periods and then taken offline as demand falls. Load following plants adjust their power output as demand for electricity fluctuates throughout the day. Both of these scenarios involve the potential for creating uneven or surging water flows, resulting in negative environmental impacts downstream. In contrast, baseload operations run pretty much continuously, reducing daily flow fluctuations. Even with environmental and other considerations, the benefits of hydro are clear, and its desirability as a first-tier option to current and future electricity demand is hard to deny. Throughout the world, water managers are faced with similar issues: growing populations, environmental impacts, escalating costs, climate challenge, and competition for resources. Yet whatever the hurdles, the goal is the same: adequate and reliable fresh water must be provided to the communities being served. The answers are varied and must fit local circumstances. New dams and pipelines, water purchases from farmers, recycling and government incentives are some of the actions taken in response to Australia's recent drought. In Spain, millions of gallons of water are being imported by ship, and severe fines have been instituted for unnecessary domestic watering. Israel employs desalination and is using reclaimed water for irrigation, while these same approaches are finding favor in northern Mexico and the southwestern United States. Mexico is also focusing on the repairs and upgrades to an old and leaking infrastructure. The stakes are high, with the future welfare of millions hanging in the balance. But through dedication, innovation, and cooperation, answers are being found and implemented. And with their willingness to work together, the world's water managers have a unique opportunity to improve efficiencies, accelerate research, and expedite solutions.